Hello, Auto Assets here. Just giving you a walk around this BMW R1200 GS Triple Black Edition. As you can see, it comes with the triple black panniers. Also has a nice few extras on here as well. So we'll do a full walk around and I'll get the bike started for you. Starting down here at the forks, you can see we've got an extendable mudguard here. Nice Michelin tyres, Road 6. And plenty of life left in the dual BMW brakes and pads here. Got the adventure lights and the crash bars there as well. Little image in the front, as you can see, you've got built-in dash cameras here, hand guards, and your screen there as well. Coming round the side, everything's looking pretty good. You've got your electronic suspension, and as I mentioned, the matching triple black full luggage. The seats have got these little covers on them. There's actually no rips and tears in the seats themselves. This is quite a handy feature. It's an aftermarket. Basically it's like a little honeycomb system, which you can see there. If it rains, it helps drain the rain away from you, and in the kind of warmer weather it helps kind of keep the airflow as well, so it helps keep you dry and helps keep you cool, which is always quite handy. Coming round the back, you can see the luggage here, and you've got your camera in the rear. You've also got an additional Touratech, I'd probably call this a safe, it's the best way to describe it. So you've got a key for this, keeps it nice and secure, and just you can pop things in there. That's mounted pretty much on there, so you're not going to take that one off, unlike the panniers. It can come off and on nice and easily, so that's something to have secured onto the bike. Again, very good condition. Couple of scuffs on this side, nothing major at all. Coming up to the front here, so you've got a little BMW cubby hole, your wallet or something in there. You've got the BMW iDrive system, so if you wanted to get a sat nav or an aftermarket product, you can control that from here. You've got cruise control, you've got your automatic lights, your trip and info, electronic suspension, adventure lights, indicators and horn, heated grips, and your riding modes, and obviously your start, stop and kill switch. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. So the bike's keyless, so I'll just push this on. That will turn the screen on, and I'll just get her started. I'll just give it a few minutes to warm up. Whilst I do, I'll just confirm everything's working. So I've just popped the hazards on there. You can see that rear light is flashing, it's just the way the camera's picking that up. In reality, it's nice and steady. So, same with that LED light on the right hand side. It is steady in reality, it's just the way the camera picks up the LEDs. So you've got your standard running light there, and your full beam as well. Also got your adventure lights. Again, nice and easy to turn off. ABS wise, you've got normal, hard, soft, and then if you hold it down, you should be able to amend what kind of controls you've got. So that's one person with luggage, 2 people, 1 person. So the bike's actually, I can feel it kind of moving here as well, so I'll leave that one as is. Just to show you the options you've got here. Trip computer, plenty of options. You can see the ABS lights flashing. For anybody that doesn't know, the ABS in a motorbike will go off at about 5 miles an hour. Obviously we're currently stationary. You've got your heated grip button here. So you can see it's 2 lights, 1 light, back off again. Really easy to use. Your modes, you've got dynamic, enduro, enduro pro, rain and road. to give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. That's the little thing. There we go. The BMW R1200 GS Triple Black Edition. Any questions you've got, please let me know. Cheers.